Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Stories. I'm Oliver, and today I have another exciting story for you. This one is all about robots. Like always, I'll read in slow, clear English, and I will explain new words along the way. But before we begin, here are 5 useful words to listen for. See if you can hear them in the story and understand what they mean from context. The first piece of vocabulary to listen for is the word rusty. Rusty. And when something is rusty, it is when metal turns brown and weak from water and age. So really old metal when something is rusty. The second word is circuit. Circuit. And this is the path electricity follows inside a machine or robot. The third word today is wander. And this is to walk or move without a clear direction. Our fourth word today is upgrade. And that means to improve something or make it better. And the final word for today is scrapyard. And this is a place where broken or old machines are kept. Today's story is called Robbie the Repair Bot. In a city far into the future, robots did almost everything. They cleaned the streets, cooked meals, and even walked dogs. But one small robot named Robbie had a very special job. Robbie was a repair bot. He fixed other robots when they stopped working. He wasn't shiny or new. In fact, he was a little rusty, and one of his wheels squeaked when he moved. But Robbie didn't mind. He was good at his job, and he loved to help. Each morning, Robbie rolled out of his little workshop and checked his list. Today he had to fix 3 robots: a cooking bot with a broken circuit, a music bot that only played one note, and a cleaning bot that kept spinning in circles. He got to work. With small tools built into his arms, Robbie opened the cooking bot's chest, and he saw the problem right away. "Ah," he said in his beeping robot voice, "loose wire, easy fix." Soon the cooking bot was making perfect pancakes again. Next, Robbie repaired the music bot. He upgraded its speaker, and it began to play beautiful songs. Finally, he stopped the cleaning bot from spinning. "Too much power in one wheel," he said, making a few quick adjustments. "Thank you, Robbie," the robots said together. But on his way home, Robbie passed a scrapyard. He stopped and looked around. Old robots lay in piles, forgotten and broken. Suddenly he heard a sound. A small robot voice said, "Help, please." Robbie followed the voice and found a robot dog under some metal parts. It was weak and its circuits were damaged. Without thinking, Robbie picked up the dog and carried it back to his workshop. All night he worked. He cleaned the rust, fixed the wires, and even gave the dog an upgrade so it could bark again. In the morning, the robot dog wagged its metal tail. It jumped up and licked Robbie's face with a warm beep. From that day on, Robbie had a helper. The two of them went everywhere together, fixing broken robots and helping the city run smoothly. And even though Robbie was still a little bit rusty, everyone knew that he had the biggest heart in the whole city. That was Robbie the Repair Bot, a fun and friendly story with some great new words. This includes rusty, so when metal gets old, circuit, the electricity path inside machines, wander, to walk without direction, upgrade, to improve something, and scrapyard, a place for old or broken machines in this story. We used the past simple again to tell the story, and we had a few present tense moments for fun. If you enjoyed it, make sure to follow or subscribe to Easy English Stories and share it with friends who are learning English too. If you want more advanced English practice, listening practice, check out my Patreon link in the description below. There I make longer podcasts about more complicated and interesting topics with many discussions and lots of new vocabulary. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.